Red Lakota now, she's inside, set to go now, race number 4. Horses out, Precious Jewel, Persian Empire, Cassidy, moving a party outside Red Lakota. Camorra is racing into, then comes Rochelle's Gift, and trailing the group is Pacing the Music. Persian Empire, the leader by a length. Red Lakota is right behind in second. Racing in third, Cassidy, Precious Jewel in fourth. Camorra is down in third, then followed by Rochelle's Gift, and 2 far behind is Pacing the Music. Now we have Red Lakota takes the lead now by about half a length. Persian Empire drives back in second, and racing in third, Cassidy. Here comes Camorra now coming closer in fourth, Precious Jewel with Red Lakota this time by about 2.5 lengths. Persian Empire still in second. Camorra now racing in third. And it's still Red Lakota. Persian Empire. Camorra now coming closer in third as they come down at the last of the day. Red Lakota. Persian Empire once again on the outside. Camorra in third. Red Lakota. Persian Empire is on the outside. Persian Empire. Red Lakota is running by there. It's now Persian Empire over Red Lakota. Camorra. Entering the finish line, it's Persian Empire. Second, Red Lakota, Camorra, Precious Jewel, Cassidy, Rochelle's Gift, and Pacing the Music comes in last.
Okay, Bayang Karirisa, para dito sa inyong race number 4, ating pong unofficial winner dito, numero 6 yan po si Persian Empire. Masisigundo, numero 7, Red Lakota, numero 5, Camorra, at para sa inyong quartet, eto natin, numero 4, Precious Jewel.